Hi, M6018. Please introduce yourself.
Hello. Good day to all my employer in Hong Kong. My name is Diana Ruelan. I'm 35 years old. I'm single. I have one daughter. Our age are 15. And my father's name Danilo Ruelan. And my mother's name Larina Ruelan. My work experience are 2 years and 1 month in Saudi Arabia. We have 6 members. We have 4 adults and two children, one children and 5 adults.
Okay. And how about your experience in Doha, Qatar?
My duha Qatar also are the each are we have 5 members. We have our 3-year-old baby,
Okay. And other household chores that you do?
cleaning, washing, ironing, and
Okay. Um, by the way, what happened to your eyes?
since inborn sir, since birth.
So since birth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your religion, by the way,
A Catholic, sir.
Catholic.
Yes.
Okay. So you have an experience taking care of a 1-year-old baby, right?
Yes, sir.
So you know how to prepare a meal for a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Maybe the baby is hungry or we have a fever or change diaper, or if not feeling well, I will call my employer if needed to go to the hospital.
So you will call the employer's
Yes,
attention. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because I want to build my house and lot, sir.
So you want to build your
Then my
house.
future for my daughter.
So for the future of your
Yes.
daughter. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
10 years, sir. I want 10 years.
So it is okay
Yes.
to you to work on
Yes.
10 years if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Uh, no, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
The YouTube and the books.
Okay. And you could also ask your madam and sir if you got employer in Hong Kong if they could teach you how to
Yes,
prepare,
sir. Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepare foods that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food
Yes,
that they
sir.
provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday
It's okay,
setup?
sir.
How about sharing room with
It's
kids?
okay, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly? Help them go to
Yes.
bed. It is okay with
Yes,
you.
sir.
Help them go to hospital for checkup. It is okay
Yes,
with
sir.
you.
Will.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know
Yes.
how to speak
Yes,
English.
sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To all my employers in Hong Kong, please choose me because I'm hardworking, I'm dedicated, and I do my best as a helper.
Okay. Can you also promise to take good care of their children as your own
Yes, sir.
and follow their rules and
Yes,
regulations?
sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Diana.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.